Hello, everybody. CJ Compton here at Lake Street. This is CJ Compton here at Lake Street. Here in Grass Lake, Michigan, we have a train coming. Check it out. Roll it. This is a eastbound train. This is Amtrak number 352. It departed Jackson about 6 minutes ago. It departed at 6:55, so it departed on time. The current time is 7:01 p.m. Amtrak number 355 is next, but it is running 4 minutes late as of right now. It will more than likely change for arriving into Jackson a little later for the other one. But anyway, like I said, this is Amtrak number 352. This is Amtrak number 352, the one that is coming right now. I don't think it's too much further. The signal here is not on yet, but it will be here very soon. It should be red when the signal turns on for this side. I hear the horn. Oh, there goes the signal. The signal just now turned on. It is red. On this side, here it comes. Roll it. There goes the signal. It did not turn off yet, but it is now back to a green. Let me get a good look at this signal here turning off from over here. If not, then we have another train in the block, but I don't believe it's that close yet. It's near Ann Arbor for the other train at the moment. There goes the signal. Alright, that was Amtrak number 352. Amtrak number 352 starts out in Chicago, Illinois at the Chicago Union Station, heads east to Pontiac, Michigan, where it terminates. All on this Tuesday, February 17th of 2026 from CJ Compton on YouTube. If you haven't already subscribe to my YouTube channel and give my videos a thumbs up, that will help my channel out a lot. The current time now is 7:08 p.m. Anyway, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. Anyway, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope y'all enjoyed. And that is it. Amtrak number 355 should be here very soon. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And that is it.